G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a special home, 32 Helsham Street, right at the top of Point Vernon. Properties like this rarely come on the market. We've got just over half an acre, one block back from the beautiful esplanade and strolling distance to Gataker's Bay. I can't wait to show you around. This two-storey craftsman-built home was originally built in 1979 and would have been a statement property for that period. The whole family will love this home, set on a fabulous 2,023 square metre allotment with just over half an acre in the old scale, ideally positioned to allow the best of privacy and convenience. The generously proportioned floor plan unfolds in an expression of family comfort across two levels whilst capitalising on Hervey Bay's wonderful year-round climate. The home boasts 4 spacious bedrooms across the ground floor, all with built-in wardrobes and styled with the grace and tradition that features throughout this home. The large main bedroom includes a walk-in wardrobe and ensuite whilst offering external access. The kitchen has been upgraded and includes loads of storage space and a dishwasher, as well as a large walk-in pantry. The versatile open-plan dining area offers an entertaining point that easily services the living and formal dining spaces as well. The glass sliders open the home up to provide a seamless connection to the large rear veranda, encouraging alfresco entertaining all throughout the year, a perfect point of relaxation and watching over the children enjoy the boundless private grounds with in-ground pool whilst enjoying that coveted north aspect. Entertaining will be a pleasure from this home with a separate large games or media room which also includes a wet bar. You will also enjoy the benefits that come with having your very own wide choice of established fruit trees and vegetable garden beds. Those looking to accommodate a range of vehicles will appreciate the options on offer, with a double garage attached to the main home offering internal access, plus 2 high entry carports and clear side access through to that brick triple garage at the rear, which does include power and a workshop with plenty of space to accommodate large caravans and boats. The time has come for these owners to downsize, so here's your opportunity. Call me now, Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.